The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portland Police Department. An ice storm warning has been issued for all of Maine until 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A drop in temperatures has been decreasing to at around -20 degrees and -30 degrees. All roads in the affected areas are severely been covered in ice, which causes multiple car accidents across numerous areas in the state of Maine. All waters in lakes, ponds, and shores has been frozen due to extreme drop in temperatures. Due to this, all residents are strongly urged to stay inside and stay warm as possible. Turn on a fireplace so you can get yourself warmed up soon. Driving in the roads is extremely dangerous and it is slippery. Please keep in mind that this message is only meant for you and others' safety. Stay tuned for more updates as the National Weather Service will provide more updates soon.